Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and as you can see right here we've got the list of the previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French maybe. Let's tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the French, in my case, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you if you really want to change to French, so simply tap on it, and as you can see from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case French. So let me show it to you again. Tap on English and drag it to the first position, and the same situation. So basically that's quite easy in this device. So this is how to change the language, and if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the two dots icon and tap on edit. There was a misclick, not language update but edit. Now you can mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on delete right here. As you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your OPPO A94. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.